Hey there, it's your girl Faith and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the perfect niche for your book on Amazon KDP. And trust me, this is going to be a game changer for all you aspiring children's book authors out there. And on our next video, we'll be using ChatGPT and Midjourney to create a beautiful picture story book for the niche we find here. So be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I release that. That video will be great for beginners with no expertise at all. But before that, we first need to find the perfect niche. And how do we do that? By using two amazing Chrome extensions, Amazon Keyword Expander and BookBolt. So let's start by using the Amazon Keyword Expander to find the perfect niche. I'm going to head over to Amazon.com and enter a keyword like Easter books because as a Christian, I love to teach about Jesus and Easter is the perfect time to do that. Now, as you can see, Amazon suggests a bunch of different options, but we want to dig a little deeper. So I'm going to use the Amazon Keyword Expander to see what other options are out there. And there you have it. By using the Amazon Keyword Expander, we are able to find a great suggestion for our book. Easter book Jesus. Now this keyword wasn't suggested by Amazon, which means there's likely less competition. And as a Christian, I know that this is exactly the kind of book I would search for, since other books are all about the Easter bunny and eggs, which honestly have nothing to do with the true meaning of Easter. Next, I'll head over to my BookBolt account and show you how to use this tool to validate your book idea. I have the link to BookBolt down in the description as well. I'll paste my keyword Easter book Jesus into the product section and leave the category to general. As you can see, BookBolt gives us a ton of valuable information, including the bestseller rating, BSR, and the publishing date. The lower the BSR, the more sales the book is making. So we want to find books with low BSRs. We also want to keep an eye on the publishing date because we want to see if a new book like ours can find space in this niche. Awesome! Here are some recently published books with great BSR and even reviews. And finally, we'll validate our keywords demand by pasting the same keyword into the keyword section to see the monthly search volumes. Voila! We can see that the keyword Easter book for kids about Jesus has 1,194 monthly searches, meaning there is demand and new books are ranking well. And that's it for today's video. Remember, on our next video, we'll be creating a beautiful Easter picture book about Jesus with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva. Subscribe and thanks for watching.